Hey guys, welcome back to another AI video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI. Now, if you haven't heard about Claude AI, Claude is also another powerful AI tool that you can use just like ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini, and so Claude is one of the cool ones right here that you can use. Now, I want to show you how you can easily go ahead and use Claude. So this is the interface of Claude, guys, and we're currently using the free version. And one of the first cool thing that I'd like to show you is how you can use Claude in incognito mode. So once you're inside Claude, if you want to use it in incognito mode, just simply look to the upper right and you'll have this little incognito icon here. Click on it and it's going to run Claude in incognito mode. And this is what it looks like, right? Now, once you're done, you can click the X on the upper right hand side to exit incognito mode. So that's the first thing. Otherwise, if you don't want to use it in incognito mode, you can just simply use the general chat right here. So I can say, what is Claude, for example, Claude AI, and just simply hit and enter. And it's going to, basically ask the question, returning the answer for me, and so forth. Claude is very powerful, by the way, and it's currently using a language model of Sonnet 4.5. Now, you can see here in the lower right hand side that you can change the language models, or click on the language models, and as you can see, they have different language models, and you can even see more here. Keep in mind that if you want to change them, sometimes depending on the one that you want to change it to, you will have to upgrade to at least a pro version, right? Now, the next thing that I want to show you is on the section here. Let's say you ask a question and you want to edit it. You hover over your question and you can click the pencil icon and you can change whatever it is. So let's say I didn't want to say what is Claude AI, but what is ChatGPT, right? For example. And I can go ahead and hit enter again. It's going to save it automatically and just rewrite the answers for me. Once you have the answers, guys, you can go ahead and you can share it, as you can see on the upper right hand side. You can scroll down, you can even retry, you can thumbs up, you can go ahead, you can copy, and so forth, right? You can also go ahead and add images in Claude. So if you want to upload an image, click the plus, and from here you can choose to upload a file and you can add image, you can take screenshot, you can add from GitHub, you can use a project, and so forth, right? You also have the search and tools, so you can click on that and you can use connectors. If you have connectors, you can use them. You can add connectors from here. You can choose if you want to use the web or not, or even to extend thinking as well. So these are some of the cool things that you can use in Claude AI. Now let's jump to the left hand side. Here you have new chat. So if you want to start a new chat, you click on it and it's going to start a new chat, and it leaves the history right here. In case you want to delete an history, you can click the three dots towards the right hand side of anything and you can obviously delete it. You can add to favorites, you can rename it, and you can just like favorite as well, as you can see. As well, you have chats here where you can see all your chats. You will be able to see them on the left hand side on the recent as well, but here you can find all your chats right here. And if you also want to delete chats from here as well, you can click the three dots and hit delete. If you have a whole lot of chats, you have a search right here that you can type in and just basically search for chats. And of course, you can do new chats on the right hand side from here as well. Now on the left hand side as well, you have projects, and this is where you'll be able to have your projects. You can create new projects right here, super easy. So you can click the plus, you can give it a name. So I can call this one AI, for example, and I can just say learn about AI, for example, and click on create, and that's a new project right there, right? So you can do a lot within your projects as well. Artifacts are really cool because within artifacts you can do a whole lot. You can even play games within the artifacts, believe it. So if you want to play games, for example, click on this section here for games and you can choose a game and you can play them. Very easy stuff, simple games, but it's something. You can add artifacts and you can see different categories of what these are, and you can see your artifacts if you have any added there as well. On the lower left hand side is your account, so you can click on that, you can log out, you can learn more, you can upgrade. If you click on upgrade, you can see the plans. You'll be able to see your current plan, and you'll be able to upgrade as well to different plans, as you can see, right? So individual and team and enterprise, different options right here. Now let's go back under this account as well. You have to get help, you have language, you can switch different language from here. You can go to the settings, Under the settings section, you can go ahead and you can rename your account. You can also say what you want it to call you. So if I don't want it to call me Drew, I can say Andrew, for example. You can add description as well from here. You can add about you as well. Under the account section, you can log out of all devices. You can delete your account. You can find your organization ID if you want to. Privacy gives you the opportunity to export your data, also share chats or manage chats. You can also enable or disable location metadata as well. You also have the option to help improve Claude, so you can go ahead and allow Claude to use your chats and code sessions to train and improve its AI model. So you can choose if you want to have this enabled or not. Billing is basically showing the plan that you have. If you have a paid plan, you'll be able to see more details here about the current plan that you have. If you want to downgrade, or if you want to get, for example, your invoices and all those different things, you'll be able to find them right here. Capabilities as well, you can disable capabilities. You can turn on AI powered artifacts if you want that as well. You can also turn on the analysis tool as well, so that that's running in real time. Connectors allow you to enhance the use of Claude. So if you want to add connectors, you can browse and you can see a list of different connectors that they have right here. Right, you have the web connectors and you have the desktop connectors that you can find as well, that you can use. Right, and under basically Claude Code, you just basically have, for example, you need to upgrade to Max or Pro to be able to see and to use more right here. But in a general nutshell, guys, that's Claude. I hope you'll find this video useful. If you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.